What's up, guys? Welcome to day 18 of my Ftmo challenge. So today is pretty interesting. I ended up closing all my trades. Close out all my trades. Let me show you my stats. We're getting close. Let me see. What's today? Today's the 26th. Pull up the calendar. So the challenge ends Tuesday the 1st, and Monday is a holiday. So we really got got 3 days left to take this balance. Here's the balance that we're currently at, 94,000, and we got to get to at least 110,000. That's if we want to pass this challenge and move on to the verification phase. Now, from what I understand is if you're at least able to break even or get to a little bit past the 100,000 mark, you get another chance at this challenge. So if we don't hit that 110, let's see if we can at least get to break even or get past that 100,000 mark. All right, so we're at 94,000, roughly, almost 95,000. The results for today: 8 trades closed with a total profit. That's funny, 22, 22. Yeah, so this is the profit for today for all the trades closed. What did I close? AUD New Zealand dollar took a profit 189. Euro AUD profit 414. AUD New Zealand dollar about 1700 here, and franc JPY 143. The only one that we kind of took a loss on was this one right here, Euro USD minus 489, and yeah, we took a few losses. Well, this one was a profit. AUD New Zealand dollar again, 1086. And then these last two we took a L on, and that was AUD USD, New Zealand dollar, franc. So these are the trades for today that were closed. Win rate 45%. So now the thing is, we got to figure out. I got to come up with a plan basically of how I'm gonna break even. So I close all my trades. I have no trades open or no trades running. Just really gonna look at the charts and really try to come up with a game plan to see what we can do, guys. So that's my update for today, day 18 of my Ftmo challenge, and let's see how we can get this challenge passed. So wish me luck, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Be sure to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Peace.